choir scheme. Mind you, when we started this Katamia things at school, there was a school choir.
Okay.
But the school choir, they call them do re mi fa so. Like, my Lord is coming. Yeah, my Lord is coming. Yeah, my Lord is coming. But this thing of KO Kulman is kind of a sage.
Yeah.
MT gave me a call. I was like, boy, if it is Ninking, Gunumuntu Lana, engathi ufuna ukwenza lento esiyenzayo. And akana interest whatsoever ukhuluma nathi or ukunxumana nathi, however even though abona ukuthi already thina siyayenza like mina personally mangiqeda kuwina, they announced Duweb was the presenter of the show. She announced it live with the winner today who won for this competition is going to be given an opportunity to record a song with Twizzy and Slick.
Mujapilo no JP Forest phakathi kweQuantum sirenga wonke umzansi boy isukile boy.
Let's go right to the sound of good time.
Another day, another dollar, another podcast, another episode, another opportunity to inspire and transform lives. Eitaola, Shapfere, welcome to another exciting episode of the Quantum Podcast. Podcast yasekasi, podcast yomphakathi, podcast yabantu, podcast yomhlaba wonke jikelele. Bafethu, Vandaag, njengoba nibona emva kwami, ugreen, phambi kwami, ugreen, phansi, ugreen, and on the other side kunjani? Ugreen. Bafethu, we are coming to you live from the Green Side Lounge, Midrand. Phezu khona esababa angisho ekazi bathi phansi khona so la kusho ukuthi kuphezulu yabona ubheka lapha phezulu ebridgeini uyayibona iGautrain iyadlula nje yabo and abacava bathi on the other side of the road is greener yabo so manje Vandaag ngoba this year vele izinto zethu zihamba ngolayini silandele enye out enswemu ngokurapper enswemu ngokucula like musician out there ayikho into engayijula yabo but okuningi singagreen sizozwa ngayo. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Benny P. Mr. Benny.
Yeah. Thank you very much for welcoming me on the show. Yes, Midrand right way.
Welcome to Quantum Podcast.
Thank you very much, man. I feel at home already.
Most there, amajita akazwakele yi.
Enhleke mfethu bafikile ngibabonile and here I am. Manje.
Last time ngikubona besuku yile into zenza ama live session.
Oh yeah, something different.
Something different.
Yes.
Even this episode is different.
Of course.
This podcast is different.
Absolutely, man. I agree with that. You know, banging it. Don't keep the hlaza. One this life.
Plus lapha kuSkhando Nation nalengoma yenu elibiza ngeBomzo.
We again. This represents our culture right here. This is us.
Yiyo leBomzo le urika ngayo.
Yabona now. Thank you, man, for welcoming me here in this place that feels like home and look like it. So I'm cool to see you.
Sure.
Yes, it's right.
Well, cross grand nje ungene grand ku-2026.
Hayi ngake singene kamnandi mfethu singene kamnandi kakhulu.
Bekunjani umtuba?
It was very nice. Oh, you saw that also
there. Obviously, usekele wangibona yonke into nichuna.
Showcase mfethu besilapha eKZN tuba of course.
Ngabana mphetha bodani Kenda.
Zikhala kakhulu mfethu, it was a massive event. Sathola nathi yabona experience i-side different from eKasi. That was a very beautiful experience. And shout out to abantu basemtuba by the way for giving us that great support. It was very nice mfethu.
Sure.
Yeah, it was great.
Abantu baseKZN njalo. They are very welcoming.
Very much.
Yeah. And manje sicela ama drinks ngicela my energy drink and the juice for my guest. The guest yami ithi emtuba bayihasise too much. Manje seshayila i-juice.
Talks mfethu ngehlise kancane yo.
Ijela ware.
Kumele sisebenze.
Kushuthi kahle nawe vele uya
brother. Hola.
Ayinale bathi Thixo. Wonke athi Thixo.
I guess vele uyumdala osinike wona.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ubani uBenny P out yami?
Sure. uBenny P mfethu musician. That's number one. Kodwa ke my name is Madira Benny Phala. That's my name.
Are you from Limpopo?
Well, my parents are, so that means I am from Limpopo. Even though angazi ngihlale khona, I
Sure.
just go there to visit.
Because
So
le ngithamba ngisipana nalo.
yeah,
Ki nerembitsa ka Ntate Phala so.
Ntate
Because umuntu
Phala.
omdala vele yabo.
Sure.
So besingambizi ngegama. But
Yeah.
igama lakho Neo Phala.
yeah. Originally, the Phala batwa Botswana, but then yeah,
Oh.
Wamkhulu wami is from Botswana. But then they relocated to Limpopo, and then that's where they started their own family.
Yeah.
So yeah. Kodwa ke mina mfethu ngizalelwe eKasi kahle kahle. Because I
Yeah.
was born in Alexandra Clinic. La eLex.
Sure.
And then
Oh, just Komor.
yeah, that's
Giacomo.
where I was born. But then angihlalanga isikhathi eside because I was born 1992, by the way. And then in 96, that's when my parents moved with me to Tembisa.
Yeah.
Place actually I call it Tembisa, but it's Ivory Park.
Akusethembisa nje whether you like it or
But
not.
here's the thing, Ivory Park is based phakathi kweTembisa
Ne-Midrand, yeah.
So ukuthi nje iMidrand bathi abasazi. So
No,
that's
the
why
thing
it's
is, do you know why
Tembisa.
abantu base-Ivor bonke siba-recognize abantu basethembisa?
Yeah.
Because majority yabo vele emakibo kusethembisa. Omunye ubuye eNdulwini, omunye ubuye eKhalambazi, omunye ubuye then bathola istand ede.
Yeah, well, yeah, that makes
Kahle
sense.
kahle makufika abo Phumulongo, abo Winnie Mandela, abo Ivory, ni beba extend ithembisa.
Kahle kahle.
Sure.
Yeah. No, which makes sense because Ivory is still a township. I mean, if it was part of Midrand, really, bengeke kube ikasi.
Manje municipality yakhona yanikhawatha ngoba
Eish, mfethu.
Midrand makuva ivati nakini ava.
Uyayibona?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yakhumbula la sinhlangane nawo vele ninenkinga
Yevati, mfethu, bengiyokhamani.
Kwalilayo lapha ngababhake.
Do you remember? Mfethu, hayi, into
Ngikushayela
ezenzakala
iphela
ekhaya.
ungiboni.
Oh yeah, no, I remember. Ukuthi nakubona phi yeah,
Sure.
yeah, that time so
Sure.
come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are type of struggles esiba nazo eKasi, yabona.
Sure.
Thola ukuthi manje khamba amalanga kunamanzi. But anyway, I believe into enzakalayo maybe nationally.
It happens everywhere, bro.
Yeah,
Phela
yeah,
lesikhathi lesa even Midrand waterfall and stuff big
Amanzi awekho,
yeah.
yeah,
Because
so-
Midrand you could be affected.
Yeah, inkinga
Sure.
vele sinayo leyo. So mfethu yazi impilweni we have those challenges and we just have to ukuthi sikhule or sikwazi uku-adapt siphile.
Abaleka uthi angibheke mfana like
Yeah, mfethu,
yabo.
no,
Yeah,
man,
ungabaleki,
nawe, ngeke
relax.
ubaleke, mfethu.
Yeah, uzirelaxe ngibona ulokhu yali.
Ne?
Yeah.
No, yeah, you're right here, brother. No,
Sure.
angishazi nalama specs lawa sometimes isoli mangayibona.
Ungasa.
Yeah.
Okay, yabo sasitshela ukuthi wena you were born in Alexandra.
Yeah.
Then you moved to Tembisa, wakhulela khona. Khula nathi ngeniphi isikela kanjani?
Sure.
Sinalo.
Ukhula kwami mfethu thingqale la okay, in 96 obviously I was still intwana encane mangifika eKasi yabona ukuthi saseyintwana.
Sure.
And then I was raised there, ngayiswa eSigela. My first school, primary school was Khatlantu.
Okay, ngiyacaba.
Yeah, it's a Tembisa side.
Sure.
But then already lam langiyekisa lapha eSigela about my first year. That was 98.
Yeah.
Wangiyekisa because we distance from la sihlala khona yabona to eSigela and besijump imfula.
Mara ukufere now from Ivory too.
The problem was besijump imfula, so I guess
sure.
already lam
Then
was
makes
sensitive
sense.
because I was very tiny mangisaseyintwana
Yeah.
yabona. So I guess already lam and I was only 6 then. So abanenkinga ukuthi ayengeke ngimise la. She wears ukuthi kuzoba nesigele so akhiwa eEpon. Epon is much closer than us. It's just
Sure,
like
sure.
10 15 minutes to walk. Yabona.
Yeah.
And then 99 when they built this scale that's when vele because ngithe uqala nje ukufunda eKhatlantu. That very same year I think I went for 2 months and
Yeah.
then old lady was like no when I was mntanami because during that time kunengane ke yawela emanzini yathathwa amanzi lento vele yathusa abazali I guess.
Sure.
And then my parent was one of those parents who were like my kid won't go there since they saying bazobuild this scale la eduze I'll take my kid there yabona. And then I had to wait vele till next year I went to Ebony Primary of which that's where vele I did my entire primary khona.
Sure.
Kodwa ke uthando lami le-art mfethu was there before iSigele actually. Now I'm jumping into that because that is why I'm here.
Sure, most definitely.
Mina mfethu ngumuntu oculayo kahle kahle
Okay.
before everything else.
Yeah, yeah.
I've always loved ucula. I remember I was like earlier before I could even go to school, maybe 5. Yeah, 5, 6 roughly. I would love ucula nje ngisejardini and there would be other kids who the same age as me bazochila nami ngicula, you know, and just listening to me. I don't know if I was that good at that time, but I do know that I always had a company yezinye ingane who I would sing for.
Shuthi kahle kahle kudala uphe4.
Kahle kahle, you can put it that way.
Une audience
Kahle
ukindawo.
kahle. Like even if namanje kids, abo sisters engikhule nabo nama gents, they know ukuthi this guy is always saying like asasemncane yabona.
Sure.
Yeah, but then eKasi mfethu mawukhulile eKasi yazi we have a culture of ilokshi yabona. Sidlala ama game mfethu like you know there's a lot of games esidlalile apart from abo Black Mampatile, games that taught us the culture, like we had to sing, you know, sidlala a whole lot of games nje besi involve by art because some of them we had to ukuthi shaye isekele mhlambe kuyaculwa yabo kana ba re game director man re ya mouth so uthole isijumpa. Do you know that game Sia?
Yeah. Nalezi
Yama social media.
boyini.
Yeah, abo tiki
Konje bayibiza ngande lokhuluma ngake yibona le.
Parking skip it die.
Yeah. Sabayiza ngazingoma manje.
Yeah, you understand.
Ngazingoma.
Yeah, those were the games esikhule siwadlala.
Sure.
Abo and lento leyo iyo yenza ukuthi kahle kahle sibe kakhulu into art because we didn't have besingena isikhathi sokubukela abo TV. For instance, thina mfethu mina besingena ama cell phone masikhula, we didn't have any cell phones.
And I remember it's not every household with a TV eKasi.
Exactly. And mina indawo le ama parents wami were relocate kuwo, it was more like it was actually an informal settlement because it was a new area which was starting to develop.
Sure.
Bekungena even no gas ngaleso
Yeah,
sikhathi.
yeah.
Bespanisa prema stove,
Sure.
spaniswa amakhandlela yabona. So which means TV mfethu mawufuna ukuyibona kumele mhlambe uye kogogo wakho or antu wakho kuphi kuphi ongahlali lapho. That's when you're going to watch TV. So
Kabo impintshi yakho
or khaba mpintshi yakho if bane battery ke nakhona
Eish,
because that's
man.
what electricity
Sure.
was for us to watch TV yabona le black and
Yeah.
white. Yeah. But then leyo nto leyo as much as yabo masikhula bekunzima nyana ukuthola ukuthi awuzazi izinto ezidlala ku TV. But we were good when it comes to creativity because we didn't have time to watch TV but instead we had time yokuba creative ngento ethize, you understand?
bekuba khona nalabo girl laba bebantswembe baxoxisa baba.
Baxoxisa.
Story babashampa ne storytelling sabo was on
Sia.
another level.
Yes, yeah,
Sure.
you understand.
Yeah.
So all those things ebesizenza kept up busy apart from media ngokwayo. Izinto angingasho ukuthi zasikhulisa kakhulu especially artistically and nokuncumisana nabantu and just to socialize with people.
Sure,
Yabona?
sure.
Yeah. So yeah, I was primary school.
Yeah. Foundation. That's
Yeah.
foundation phase.
So mfethu music njengoba ngisho ne I started this before school because mangifika at my primary school la ngaqala khona eBhoni vele kahle eBhoni primary in 99. Mfethu bengiloko ngenza music at school actually. It all started kakhulu with I remember bekune Sarafina dance. Yabona besijava. One teacher of mine recruited me
Okay.
as a student. Wangbiza. I guess they liked, you know, the way, I don't know, maybe also because they heard me sing before, because Guma Assembly, I was one of those kids who would just start a song about,
Yeah.
and then people would sing along.
Yeah.
And then this teacher of mine who invited me, who Sarafina dance, they actually made me a lead of that dance. But Boguno Sarafina, I mean, I was this guy, Sarafina partner. In fact, to see, I don't know, boost the confidence I'm cool, because on my events or corner escala, but we have open now, and don't really opened also a bigger podium for me now, or abantabaning to watch, whatever in So I started loving dance, of which, of course, my first passion in the cool. But dancing came along and then it's part of what I do. I didn't have any time to rest see amongst the scale. Break.
Sure.
We had this group I former namachita sasentwana anyway.
Say primary.
Primary. Besicula isicathamia music siya mfethu.
Sure.
Nale mfethu
Ngiyazibona isicathamia profile yakho ngamangalo ukuthi isicathamia ethembisa.
Yeah.
Kambani
Well,
manje?
bokunomnye umjita abathi Dodos. Well, ukhosasa khona lo
Okay.
mjita. Yeah, he still also pushes art.
Sure.
Lo mjita lona, he's the one who actually introduced me into isicathamia music. Because mina back then when I would sing, bengicula ingoma mhlambe engizaziyo yabo like the late Mama Brenda Fassie songs, yabo, or just stars, just superstars I hear from radio, yabo. But then this guy about Dodos is one of the first guys actually who introduced her to the sound le etufana nabo Ladysmith Black Mambazo yabo my Lord is coming, my Lord is coming,
Sure.
my Lord is coming. Those kind of rhythms. Nam vele ngayithanda leyo sound vele. I was still a kid. I was trying to learn vele. And then sayiqala lo group esikolweni of which bese practice ngebreak. I-break time yethu mfethu besidla 5 minutes fast kwa. Sazothi masuka la seclassini le-AMT siya practice. And that's where we did our Scathamea every day actually, Monday to Friday. And then after school, that's where I would go for Sarafina dance. So I was busy at school. Ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi focus into art more than academy. You understand? That's how passionate I am with this thing. Mara, lucky enough, I started this scale. Because, still after, even though scale is paid, I'm just talking about
No, I understand.
grade
Yeah,
1
yeah.
to matric. So, kunomnyuthiza mfethu esigela wangitrapa mfethu yabo bekathanda ukungitrapa actually angitrapela ukuthi
high school man.
No, still at primary.
Okay.
This teaser I won't mention his name. He's still umuntu omdala and ngiyamhlonipha anyway. He had his reasons why he did that. But this guy wanted me to join the Bogune choir scale. Mind you, when we started this Scathamea things at school, there was a school choir.
Okay.
But the school choir, becula ama do re mi fa so yabona like to me now. As much as I love music, I've always loved music. I felt like I had a lot of expressions that I'm keeper. Maybe it's verbally actually. Yabona. So bengifila ngathi amadodo I mean I'm mina ngifuna ukukhuluma bese ngizocula ngifuna ukukhuluma yabona. Angunyathi lo music anyway. But bengafuni.
Ama notes, phela they are teaching you notes.
Yeah, notes. I didn't want to go there.
Sure.
Mfethu.
When I ungena straight.
Yeah, and I remember.
Afuna warm up.
Bra, I mean, don't meet. Like, I want you to come to choir. Because bekangizwa ngicula ama rehearsals wethu la besoshana amajita, understand? So he wanted me, I guess, to be part of the group here choir scale. I didn't want that.
Sure.
And waze wangiyeka vele umtrape waze wangiyeka saqhubeka negroup yami. Igroup yami mfethu beyigrand mfethu kakhulu. I won't lie. It's Scathamea song.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah.
Ushilo,
So saqhubeka actually bagcina basibiza even makunama events bayifaka negroup yethu even though it wasn't the school group bekuyethu sifomile esigele yabona, but they ended up squeezing us in some performances yabo, be like okay yeah the Scathamea boys and then singene shine it yabona.
Oh, shalo ngomenyana eyi-1 bithi.
Oh
Sazamkhumbule.
kunale
Ukhuluma ngeScathamea nje bayakhalela yabo.
lena kahle kahle ngayizwa iculwa emunye uncle vele eKasi bokuyi I choose your time alarm. Yeah, he was also an artistic crowd man yabo. It goes like ngayithatha ngayifaka esigela actually na primary sayicula goes like Rikile rai pina kasichusa ditamati. When I say that, the background is my Lord is coming, my Lord is coming, my Lord is coming. I see, my Lord is coming, hey, my Lord is coming. Rikile rai pina kasichusa ditamati.
Mfake phela kuma Lord is coming.
Hariye, wena phela kumele uthi my Lord is
Mfake
coming.
phela.
Wase, my Lord is coming. My Lord is coming, yeah. My Lord is coming, yeah. My Lord is coming, yeah. My Lord is coming, my Lord is coming, yeah. My Lord is coming. I see, my Lord is coming. Rikile rai pina,
My Lord is coming.
kasi
My Lord is
chusa
coming.
damati.
My Lord is coming.
Hariye,
My Lord is coming.
hariye,
My Lord is coming.
hariye.
My Lord is coming.
Robona mwana.
Ah,
You're not bad. You're not bad. See, I know. No, actually, you teachable. You can just cash out.
Akuna-flow.
So yeah,
I-potential ikhona ubonile man.
yeah, no, ikhona. But I won't lie, no.
Happy.
Ngiyabuza noma ishaya ukuthi no, uyangitry bro.
Sure.
Practice nyana. So see, fair too. That was my young life before 14 years old, because obviously in primary when I 13, yeah. So that was how my life was. In fact, I never want to go to vele scala, show music, scala obviously vele academies there. But among Pume scala, yazi mawusa sentwana vele ngiyadlala, sidlala wona lama game. Disking, yeah. Well, at that time I did play a bit of disc, yes. Yeah. But we team.
Sure.
I never went to.
No, nesikhuluma
Yeah,
ngayo.
team growth, yeah. So
Then high
I
school yako.
asuka ke primary mfethu ngaye high school. High school ngaye Oracle.
Okay, ngiyabona.
Khona lapho Oracle, yeah. Well, mina vele ilafini yami ngene igele ezithu. Ngithe mangisuke ePhone primary ngaye Oracle straight. Ngaqedelela vele my high school. And when I got Oracle, see, the same thing happened, mfethu. The same thing. History repeated itself. Because mangifika high school, okay, obviously the first year, besasebasha, you meet new people. Yabona, it's a new school. Sasibadala manje siku high school. Okay, the first year was more like okay, safuna ukubona, meeting new friends and people. Yabona. But still, obviously, there was a drive. There's this friend of mine, ngiphuma naye primary. Ngeleza naye from a primary, and we became friends even when we got to high school. This guy's name is Steve Selotakalo.
Okay.
This guy is the guy that introduced me now into a different other genre of music. Lo mjita wangifaka ku clap and tap, yabo. This guy bekacula amakhwaya, so bekuwumuntu ukuthi vele uyazi nami from eSkela, from primary I was into music.
Sure.
But music ebenguyenza music onguthi uphelela lapha eSkela, and then after school it's just a different life. But yena kunguthi makaphuma eSkela he goes a choir in VA, which was more like a choir church thing, yabo. Angqove one of these days, one day, I think it was 2007. It was the second year after high school. Yeah, the second year actually after first year of high school. Well, umjita Angqove ke angintroduce to clap and tap music.
Sure.
Now I had interest because bengimbuza hey Joe, and every day after school we are keep on ngitshela mfethu music now mara la yabo it's church more like things yabo ngimjoine, and then ngithande kakhulu ke clap and tap until my first day ngiye nje la bangifika ngithola ukuthi the setup is different, people there actually abantu abakhulile abanye yabo izikhona intangane nezami, but the music there it's gospel music, yabona, strictly basically. Ngijoine lapho kube enye into, one of the things that actually saved my life, you know, because I had to go to the practice 4 days of the week, and that was from 6 o'clock to 7:30 ebusuku. And lokho bokusho ukuthi anginaso isikhathi sokuthi ngathi mangiphuma esikoleni mhlambe ngiyenza into ezisnathi. And by the way, I skipped a step because at that time 2007 mangiqala ukujoina ama clap and tap, I met a lot of people. I met this guy also, Mabelebele, Gibson Mabelebele, is a friend of mine also. That guy, and he was more into theater music, like. But it was Haruna project. Yeah, he was also involved in another group, but it was a theater group. Art, drama, poetry, and also music. So this guy meet her in a clap and tap group. He has any SIT. Mangifika mangimita kanjalo kube ndaba zokuthi ngibe ne interest futhi ukuthi wena nawe futhi ushaya ne drama and ngala kushawa nama poetry, yabo. I've always loved writing poetry, yabo. Even though at my early age I didn't really write a lot, I was just practicing without writing, yabo. But when I met Gibson, that guy is one of the guys who introduced in another different style of music, which was Haruna, Bikshawa, Kofifi, sort of like sound, and the dance moves also. Ukungena kwami lapho ukumitha lo mjida lona ne ngamjoina naye shoot manje bese yenzakala so already. Mangiseskela at break time I had rehearsals esikolweni, and then after school mangiphuma I had another rehearsal from 3:30 to 5. That one was a Kofifi and theater stuff. My projects is practicing now. It's rehearsal. And then after that, we had to go to a choir foot. So I had 3 rehearsal sessions every day.
Yo,
Every single day.
awusagile
You can say that. But I passed. I never failed even a single class. So bengibhizi kakhulu siya mfethu. I never had time yemijolo jolo ebhaya nento ezibhaya nje snacks. Yeah, ngizenzile as time
Kusho
goes.
lekhwayini. Ngiyanazi phela.
Okay, well, obvious vele yabo. Uzodlala lapho nalapho
That was
yabo.
much.
But I never got anyone to marry that because that was not what I was there for. Yabo. So kwaba into enjalo siya mina bengithi mangiphuma esigela mfethu after school rehearsal after rehearsal. So kwaba into ukuthi vele music ngicina sengu understanda ngenye indlela. Nguthanda nokudlulela like even before yabo. Now I had even interest in learning instruments like guitar yabo, because lapho in those theater projects we also had guys who played Pikachu guitars yabo. So now I had interest in it. Maybe I can also play a bit of this.
Sure.
Music impilo yami kahle kahle. Ngiyenza leyo nto leyo throughout. The only time I take a break is when I'm at school. After school, music why until ngiyogidla yabo. I never watch TV. I don't know a lot of stories on TV. Azange ngibukele TV.
Yeah.
Life yami.
And ngapha uya-act.
Well, acting, in fact, I'll tell you, you catch up nayo later. Because even when I was doing theater stuff, I was a poet.
Okay.
Yeah, I was a poet. Ngazigelezisa ukuthanda kwami ukuqala kakhulu ukuqala ukubhala, even though I love poetry, but ukuqala kwami ukubhala was there. Yabo. So
And i-foundation yakho i-hip hop icala la.
kahle kahle.
Sure.
So kube indaba zokuthi vele hayi iminyaka ivaye with that same routine. Skela rehearsal. Ama events, kunokuba nama show yabona kuya stage ngamachoir. So I was busy weekends, almost every weekend you'd find me busy. It's either ngizoperforma ekasi like cathedral kind of performance at theater or ngizobe clap and tap stage yabo. So kube into ehamba kanjalo until I passed. Oh, actually 2009 it's when a lot of things changed actually, because that's when I started falling in love with the hip hop. Why? Well, hip hop I heard it at a very early age. Yes, in fact, Masculine Kasi, Abu Tupac's Bazwile, Vele, Dear Mama, those are the big songs of hip hop. But when I heard that music at that time, it was just music yo. And I but I didn't have much interest. I didn't even think one day I would actually have interest in doing that myself. But yeah, 2009, that's when it all came, because I started hearing rapper abaningi abarapper ngelanguage yami. And I think le nto le yenza ukuthi ngibe ne-interest, because now bese ngiqala ukuzwa yonke into eshiwoyo etrackini manje, and abanye abantu baringa ngetali engicavayo ekungukuthi ngikhule ngayo mfethu. These people related a lot with me ngezinto abazikhulumayo yabona. So kube ukuthi ngibe like, oh shit, umuntu musla ngathi vele the culture le abayenza nami ngayenza la le ngabo. Ngaleso sikhathi I was hearing artists like F-Easy back in the days, you know, Siyashezi. MT also was one of the guys engamuzwa before I actually met him. Nabo Mickey, underground cats for sure. Okay, at that time I was still in high school. Ngaqala ukungena ema-cypheni ke yabo, as much as ngithi mangicula laphayana amajita bekuba khona always esigela. When we were rehearsing, there would be guys who are doing hip hop lapha. Sometimes it would be whatever the case might be. But bengithi mangithola leyo moment, like I would have the 2 minutes ngigijimela laphaya ngizwe ukuthi abomrapper kwenzakalani yabona. Okay, sometimes I feel like nami ngathi mara I was like mina ngiyacula man, it's fine. I just like what I see, what I hear yabo. Kanti dale ngiyakhula mangilongiya la ngibukela amajita la ingena kimi yabo. Up until vele that is my mic. Up until after high school. Priam, that's when okay, I wanted to go further study, yabo, and actually I wanted to do law, to be a lawyer. Actually, we are in a background where I have old lady as umuntu who will take care of everything. Yabo. And I'm from a family of 5.
Okay.
I have 2 older sisters, me being the youngest son. I have 2 younger brothers after me. Bekunzima mfethu ukuthi manje ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyeskela because already bengenayo leyo mali ukuthi
Now let's go. It's okay.
yabo. And manje nami mangithi ngiyabheka isimo sibucayi endlini mfethu kunokushoda ezinye izinto ukuthi you know kumele ukuthi kube nesinye isandla mhlawumbe singasiza ukuthi kube na something etafuleni. And mina sengikhulile manje ngalesi sikhathi. I have my younger brothers nabo badinga the same needs lezi bengibona already the struggle ukuzithola for mina. Yabo. So I felt like yazini already mfethu ungastress. You still have 2 younger boys. I can find a way to survive. If needs be, of course I do need to take further my studies. But manje go rough, yabo. So I had to find a way to survive and help already with at least go endlini izinto zihlangane, yabo. And which is what now took me into the hustle of now getting into the corporate. Yabo. So ngaqala ukuspana. But leyo nto leyo nayo bengiyenzela because ngidinga ukusurvive, ngidinga imali, ngidinga ukusiza endlini, yabona. But I have a passion. And the time enginayo ukuthi ngiphushe ipassion, iphupho lami seyincane because manje kumele ngisipane, ngenze inyuku ukuze ngihlanganise izinto because as much as ngifuna ukucula, kumele ngigawule. Yabona, kumele ngigeze, kumele ngimove around and all those things. So kube indaba ukuthi ngithola isipane, but leso sipane engisitholayo
Yeah, I'm
also see, let's say, umehluko or ugrowth blind empilweni yami. Because this company engasipana kuyo, which I won't mention the name, but I met someone there.
Yeah.
The way company yenza ama-pizza mfethu, besenza ama-pizza laphayana. I met a dude who is a rapper. His name is T and Sauce. T and Sauce was one guy who took me in to the studio for the first time as a rapper. Now, this guy, mangihlangana naye mfethu ne. That's why as izinto like they connect. There's a reason why we are where we are. This guy, he was part of Skanda at that time.
Sure.
Skanda is a brand enguyo kumanje as we speak. Now, when I met this guy, we met as ama-colleagues about Spana sonke. And kube ukuthi uwazana lo mjida lo uwazana no MT. MT is a guy ebesengilizwile igama lakhe. Yabo, sengizwile no music wakhe. Mara ngazi ukuthi uphuma va. Only to find out ukuthi awuthese kasi diploma la ekhasi. Yabo, ngizwa ngalo mjida lo engihlangane naye la kuleso Spana. Oh, sure, you know this guy. Angela, mfethu.
Can't even walk to his house.
Exactly. He told me, no, man, this guy, MT, no, Spana naye. At that time, we say MT Records. Studio Saga MT.
Okay.
Chell, I'm working with MT Records, dog. I know that guy. Oh, shit. I know this guy. I've heard him on radio. It's like, yeah, I'm cheating Mazi. And then when there was a team, no, fantastic. Because and actually I love hip hop a lot, and I'm still learning and teaching myself how to rap and become better. No, cool, Joe. Zogisa la masi off. Yabo. Malaga Vice, 20 day off. Indeed, umchita si Vice MT. Now, first time I met this guy I've heard about him, I've heard his music, but I'm on figure, oh, sir, MT, yeah. Oh, shit, nice to meet you, dog. I've heard a lot from when I've heard music I can say, but I shop. I'm not fit, you welcome me, the studio okay. And then remember, this is the first day we meet. Obviously, that was like, okay, oh, you also a singer, yeah. But lucky enough, when I got, I remember when I got a studio that day, I told her, Kola is this guy called Cheesy. His name is Cheesy, he's aka Cheesy. Shout out to him, by the way. Cheesy X was the producer of MT Records at that time. He wasn't the only producer, but I found him a studio on this card. I'm figure Vele, they were cooking a beat. That was a very nice beat. Same time we were like, oh, we are cool wena. Because Mangfika was like, I'm fetching a cool, I'm fetching a vocalist, and my chorus. And then just like that, they were like, okay, since you're here, it's a studio manje, uzile. Now Mike, let's hear what you have. You get a mic in very just like that. I don't remember. Okay, yeah, I remember I wrote something, but it was really quick because Immediately after they said that, I got on a pen and then ngangena emakhini ngacula, and ama-chance they loved into engayi-deliver that day. And then kube njalo vele kube njalo ukuthi ntwana yo nice yo ulibulele mfethu let's sing along, let's make it a hook and be a chorus vele, let's make a song yabo. Yeah, and then kanjalo kube uqala kwami ukungena into MT Records nokucava amajita yabo.
Before siyakuda uthiyaba.
Yeah.
Asizwe lo voice ekhuluma ngayo. Angisho ushayela icathamile.
Yeah.
Ngakuzwa something different ngathi mina lo mjita ngimaza rap akathi uthembu kanje. Awushayela something.
It's ukushayela the first chorus. Leyo ngikhohlwa ngekhumbula.
Okay, cool.
It goes like, we are the kings of the hood, kings of the ghetto, Scanner Nation, baby. We are the kings of the hood, kings of the ghetto. We're taking over the world. That was the chorus I did.
That's dope.
Yeah. Oh, this was still MT Records, but Gushawa is kind of rap. Blah, you understand?
So you shayela R&B?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, the voice
I did. But yo, that's in there. Kumanje, I can say ukuthi ngiskipte ama-parts amaningi, but yeah,
Sure,
nawe
understand.
ngiwakhaverile.
Yeah.
Because music mfethu ngiyenzile kakhulu Joe. Like there is no genre I would say I didn't do. I did all gospel, all the way to reggae. Yabo.
For real?
Yeah, 99, bro. So yeah, kube indaba zokuthi vele I got into Skanda kanjani through a mutual friend with MT and who happened to be part of the movement, yabo.
Yeah.
From there, siya
Ungasawu ugawula.
now of course table manners mangizogawula ngizothula.
All right.
So kwenzeke mfethu ukuthi ngihlangana namajita and then every weekend kube into ukuthi ngiye studio yabo, because my sengithole indawo la ngizorecorda khona yabo, and then ngamukelekile kamnandi, so felt like mfethu this is an opportunity for me yabo. Hayi kube indaba zokuthi mang off nje ngiyalapha the studio and then ngiyaspana, and then as time went on kube ilento ukuthi okay everyone kuSkhanda uyarap uyabona, and mind you remember at the time nami vele bengiloku ne-interest of rhythm and poetry, because bengine-interest ye-poetry kahle kahle yabona, and then me having the rhythm as a vocalist kube indaba yokuthi vele hayi akubi nzima kangako for mina ukuthi ngifunde like yabo. Plus ngidraw inspiration from abantu engiphila nabo, and labantu laba mfethu ngithole labantu bantswembu jo, like mangifika ngizongena and becoming a part of the team yeSkhanda, ngithola abantu abantswembu lapha, abantu abaraphayo mfethu nami ngizwe yo ele zipline yabo. So lento le yangenza ukuthi nami if ngizongena kumele ngimake sure ukuthi it's either I reach the standard or ngizolena fast, because otherwise uyabona now ukuthi I'm gonna be the one who's different from the rest and the worst different, and bengafuni lokho. So ngazifundisa ke uqala ke ukurapha ke.
Sure.
I started now writing ama-bars every time. Remember ngaleso sikhathi ngiyaspana yabo, isikhathi ngisitholayo soke studio it's when I'm off. Yeah.
Limited time.
Yeah. So but mangisespanini ngihlezi ngila.
Okay.
Lunchtime ngila yabo. And then first script yam, that was I think 2 months or 3 months later after saying Ngu MT Records. That was the first script of rap engaspresent emergency yabo. Fike bafethu ay namhlanje ngifuna ukushaya itrack yokurap. Amajita like yeah, uzoshaya rap namhlanje. Yeah, sure. Pick a beat, badlala ama-beats and then ngizwe liwane engilifilayo ukuthi leli, because mina ngaqala ukubhala actually without a beat. Bengibhala nje ama-line engizwa ukuthi mara le line le mayiphela la there's enough space ukuthi ngaqhubeka ngifakele enye line. So i-rhythm into ebevele benginayo because bengiloku ngicula, so I understood rhythm a lot yabo. So ngibazwisa amajita iscript engisibhale for days because I was still new yabo. Banginikeza ichance ngingene emakini ngiraphe, and then it was like yo P mfethu this is nice, you can rap mfethu, you rapping nicely yabo. Oh yeah sure and then the fire caught like that.
So igama laka Benny Phil kuya?
Igama lami nguBenny That's my second name. Madira is my first name.
Oh, yeah.
Benny.
Oh, the other name is Benny.
Yeah, that's my
Oh,
other
so
name.
it's
It's
Benny
my real
Khala,
name.
yeah.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah,
My
I
name is
understand.
Benny P. It's my real name, basically.
Yeah.
Yes. So I had this name before. People tried to call me Psycho, but it didn't work because
All right.
you know
Yeah.
there was a lot of psychos.
Mm.
There's a lot of psychos. I'm
Sure.
sure even as a Kaslam.
Yeah, must have.
So I was like, nah, no psycho, man. Benny P is fine.
Yeah.
My name. Yeah.
Yeah. Then ke niyasipana kusikhanda ngikhipha ama-pressures ayingaki
Oh.
so khona wena.
Yo. Okay. Mangifika ngithole kungukuthi MT at the time had a tape. Eyakhe. But they were working on a tape yeSkhanda rap with the team, yabo.
Okay.
And then I became
Well,
part
we
of
fair
that.
didn't yabo le.
Yeah, Skanda sibuya fair.
Yeah, ukuthi kube nama-album like we-movement yonke.
Yeah, ibuya fair. Ngathola actually mangifika la okay, there was plenty of guys there mfethu. Iskanda bekwabantu abaningi. There was Ja Prince, there was Cheesy, there was MPHO, there was Captive Pro, there's Touch, Reptile, BBB.
Yo, bibi njaya.
Yeah. Who else? If ngiyakhohlwa mfethu uzongixolela. Logic also became part of Skanda later,
yeah.
on a later stage.
Mama mfana nonke manje YFM.
Yeah. 8
So we're
people.
part of that crew, YFM now.
Yeah, I was, man.
Okay.
I was there, man. I was there watching, learning, listening.
Oh, bangarip la.
Okay, first time ngiyavele bengayelanga ugrab. Besikhaphe uMT. I was still new, freshly new.
Sure.
Bengakabhali even maybe 5 scripts ugrab. Ngisazifundisa ugrab, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So even though obviously being interest and ngifuna vele ngifisa ukwazi nami. So at that time mfethu okay yeah bokuspanwa a tape in Iskanda. Of which one of the songs was Yona le ngicela ukushayela yona Kings of the Hood was one of the songs that became the tape Iskanda at that time.
Yiphi enye ingoma edume kaSlo because beniba nengoma esigcwala emafonini abantu.
Yo ziningi mfethu ziningi maningi ama-track esiwayenzile siya along isikhathi maningi mfethu okunabo ngiyabonga mina. Not every song had all of us kuyo yabona. So amanye ama-track uthola ukuthi khona abanye abekho because besibaningi.
Khona bona undindo,
Khona bona undindo, that's one of ama-track waba makhulu
Agcwele
kakhulu.
kaSlo kasange.
Yeah. Nenye eshawa ubafu naye uTouch. Touch also did a very big song Konjabari King. The name of that song it was about Skela man. Skela Corruption.
Okay.
Skela Corruption.
Sure.
It was also one of ama-track WhatsApp from MT Productions.
Yeah.
So yeah, maningi amanye ama-track
After try asingene kuhem othi.
Oh man. Wayiphushela leke.
Asingene ngebeku mfethu abangini abafuna ukuyizwa le nja yabo.
Yeah.
Indaba yehem iza kanjani like because of thina besazo MT as the face
Yeah.
of this kind as much as been babhaya and stuff inini yabo.
Yeah.
So and uye umuntu I don't know what Twitter or kanjani ukuthi uKO untshontsha isikhanda kanjani njani but mase sekuphuma this song nawu khona
Yeah.
ngena kanjani lapho iyo ngoma leyo and like iqale kanjani even the concept maybe engayini bekuyiphi level ukuthi nize nicabanga ukuthi hayazini
Yeah.
hayi lo siyamngena lo because of lento ayenzile asincane
Siya yabo ukufika kwami kuSkhanda ne ngafika vele ngumuntu one-interest okufuna ukuzorekhoda ukwazi music and to know amajita ayenzayo lento engiyenzayo. But when I got there MT didn't just become my producer but he became my
a
friend and a brother
Sure.
of course. It's Phila Sonke and we shared a lot of ideas nama-dreams nama-visions about into esifuna yenzeke particularly music yabo.
Okay.
So the issue yaka-KO mfethu kwaba i-issue vele for thina. I won't lie when this thing came up because
just personal
yeah it was because mind you at that time njengoba ngisho mangifika ku-MT Records amajita were working on a Skanda project which was into esi-cross ama-fingers ukuthi yabo mfethu ngale so shake igame mfethu and manje vele the culture yethu Yabona, MT Productions is the production, but Skanda is the culture for us. It's the movement.
Sure.
It represents what we do. Team.
I represent MT.
I
represent
represent that team. That is a
Understand.
machito was Skanda. Yabona. So when this KO thing came, is Skanda. Well, at first, mina I thought, ay umjito ushaya track, mhlawumbe uyibiza ngeSkhanda yabo. Ay okay, it's Skanda. Maybe untwana has interest because somehow we knew ukuthi abantu abalandelayo into esiyenzayo nabantu okwama fan we Kasi Rap. They know ukuthi there's something called Skanda movement because how we promoted it was no MT. Masihamba kuma YFM
YFM
shows
Season School.
kukahlala I-emphasize lento
Skanda
yesikhanda.
Nation.
Yeah, because
intro futhi.
Yes,
Skanda Nation.
yes, because-
Because makangena Skanda Nation.
Yes.
MT makangena
yes,
Skanda Nation.
because besizama ukuphusha lelo gama ukuze
Sure.
masikhipha le tape kube kuthi
Brand
semehlweni.
kahle kahle.
Exactly. So when ubafo avela ngalayini mfethu ne I won't lie, ibe yazange siphathe grand. And we were young mfethu at that time and we had a lot of energy and we didn't care actually. As long as we felt like, you know what,
Dala
masukela
like
la.
bombs zilini.
And
Dala like bombs.
so yeah, mfethu 99 because umtex I remember MT angisakhumbuli ukuthi bokuyi-track or but this thing of KO wakhuluma ngesikhanda beseseyintsha.
Yeah.
MT gave me a call. I was like, "Ke boy, mfethu sinenkinga. Kunomuntu lana engathi ufuna ukwenza lento esiyenzayo." And akana interest or whatsoever ukukhuluma nathi or ukunxumana nathi. However, even though wabona ukuthi already thina siyayenza la ile. How? Kanjalo mfethu, so what's in your head? Ucanga ukuthi sidile kanjani la ile? MT was like, no, mina ngizoringa nalo mjita mfethu. Ngizozama ukuthi ngim-inbox or something because we don't know this guy personally. Obviously, umuntu esimaziyo from radio stations and then now he's doing this. But we'll find a way to talk to him.
But
MT
bekakhona usizi, bekakhona uScoop.
Yeah.
One ngakutshela bona because we have access to KO.
Well, actually, I don't know but they do know because MT, there was a time actually spoke to Scoop.
Okay.
Yeah, about you on writing. But
Sure.
I guess Namachita now they didn't have the power ukuthi bangasidefend ngayo lento le since bokuyi responsibility yethu kahle kahle ukuthi simele yabo. So kwaba i-action mfethu indaba yokuthi okay, MT said to me except lo mjita lona kumele siringe naye yabo. Siza ukuthi lento ayenzayo vele uyayenza nathi or uyayenza against thina because into esiyenzayo thina le yabo. So MT being the leader, huyo muntu owasendela, he even showed me all the texts that he tried to bring on Umjita. But irresponse kantwana was not friendly. Like it was not like it didn't come out njengomuntu who's willing to talk yabo nathi or ukusizwa whatever isifuna ukuyisho because yena I guess believe ukuthi uyenza writing and then thina siyithi yena uhuye yabo.
Yeah, he's big.
Yeah, so untwana yazi mfethu, this is MT now. You know what mfethu, the only way we can have this guy to listen to us, let's make a song because we're trying to talk to him akakhulumi and then response yakhe it doesn't sound like unendaba futhi nalento sikhuluma yabo. And then me being, I mean, like, I cannot live with the Romans and not do what the Romans do. Ukufika kwami kuSkhanda became a family there, and this was not just about music. This was brotherhood, basically. Ukuthi manje manginawe mfethu sabo, we are in the same team. You're my homie.
Ufalangi fakwa.
Lento affecta yang affecta because if you cry and then I'm with you, this is where you see who your people are. Yabo. And then don't vele nami yang affect because I was actually a part of Skanda already. Sengina even nama chorus engwashayile for a Skanda project esizayo, and there's someone who's doing this and we're like, let's try track it. Let's do it artistically. Let's make it musically. Let's speak to this guy in a format maybe I understand that because he's also a musician.
Okay.
And then that's where him came up. It beat la shower MT.
Okay.
And then Wang's beat, he was like, "Ntwana na beat to team." I was like, "Yeah, the concept is some gang. Yeah, sure, let's go, bro." yeah, sangena studio sashaya track and masishaya track mfethu ne as much as you can say ukuthi it was kind of personal, yabo, but to me it was more about art because mina benginama question ukuthi okay, uba for saying is doing skanda, yabo, we are doing skanda also, and if he's doing what we are doing, then he cannot turn around and say mhlambe yena akasazi or lento lena akayenzayo iye yakhe or whatever the case might be. But what we were against the most was the fact yokuthi when we speak to him, he uresponda esengathi manje thina sizama ukuba ukuthola i-attention yabantu ngegama lakhe, yabona. So lento leyo vele yayenza ukuthi sibe like yazi mfethu, if the way when ibona ngakhona then let it be. So we did a song qala, i-track sayikhipha track yagijima kakhulu.
Yo, ayagcwala istradi nje yami.
Yagcwala istrati.
Yena maneza bengicabanga ukuthi izoba that big.
No, not at all. Thina besifisa nje ukuthi yena angayizwa because sikhuluma naye.
Yo, nama numbers even namanje the numbers are still crazy.
Yeah,
I think it's over 1 million views.
Yeah, it went very big. And
Yeah.
lokho ke kwenza ukuthi kuvele abantu abaningi vele sebane interest ukwazi ukuthi abobani enhle kahle kahle, yabo. Abanye basofara ama music video, like the video leyo ibonayo. A guy came called MT except fact yo ngibona ngizwe track yenu, how about I do a video for you guys for this song, yabo. And then sihlangana nawo lo mjita loyo G-Man, and then kungukuthi this guy yena he's umuntu ushuna ama film, ushuta ama movie,
Sure.
screen, yeah. So bekune short kasi film beba busy ngayo. So he wanted us to be part of that trailer azoyenza for a film yakhe,
sure.
plus the concept yethu had to do with ubu-gangster phakathi. So it related with that, and then sagcina shoot video naye ekuba part of a film, a short film in a way. And then yeah, that happened fethu ukuthi yo kube nabantu abaningi abakhuluma ngayo that thing. But leyo nto mina mfethu yangikhinya, like azange ingenze ngijabule, yabo, because everywhere you would go uhlezi ubuzwa ngayo like,
Sure,
ukuthi,
most definitely.
okay, oh
Yeah.
kanti bafethu
And akusinto wena bufuna ukuyibuilda le.
No,
so
man.
manje bayakhohlwa ngawe.
yeah sebafocuse kulento leyo ukuthi ya man nina before, yabo, lento leyo nayo yaba yinto kungathi iba nokuba yinkinga, yabo, because now everyone is now focused kulokho, and then bakhohlwa ukuthi no man, apart from this beef,
Thina senza music.
it's nice na into esizele la sina lo muntu lona sine problem nalokhu akukwenzile, but thina
manje
nayo
ngathi
bethu.
angisakhona ukuqhubeka ngamanye ama projects.
Yayibona,
Yeah,
it's like
yeah.
the question is always about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, kodwa yes kusuke kube
But you're an brand anyway.
yabona
Because everybody knew about you. after
advantage
that.
and disadvantage, yeah.
Sure.
Because yeah, I won't lie, mfethu kasi ama numbers waphakama kakhulu, and then people vele
Ama bookings.
bookings were crazy. Bookings were crazy, mfethu, which was crazier because now the song always had to be performed because it's a very big song and never lapaya siyadisa mfethu, yabo. But yeah, it was what it was, and I believe sorry, no publicity is bad publicity.
Must have. But
Yeah, so mfethu, as long as singagwazi umuntu lapha, singatshontsheli umuntu, senza into authentic, yebo.
yeah, but it's part of hip hop, bro.
Yeah.
But it's a sport. It's a
Yeah, it is. So kuva iminyaka mfethu ngayo lento leyo vele, obviously ukuthi okay kunabomrap abaso abane quarrel kunomjito so wenzake so ayisidlule vele eziminyaka iva kulo era, yabo. Till we got to a stage where manje, I guess, as people we grow apart actually. I think that's how it is.
Sure.
Because I remember in 2012 ngaqala ukuspana on my own tape.
Okay. This is MT Records.
Ngisase ku MT Records ngaleso sikhathi. Manje ngalesi sikhathi kunama single abhaya aphumile wesikhanda. But then when I started doing tape yami yokuqala as a solo artist, that on its own yayenza kube man nevuruvunyonyo ebhaya, because manje ngifuna ukushaya itape yabo, isikhathi sami sincane ngiyasipana, kumele ngirekhode mang-off, and manje angikho eyi-one kusikhanda kunamajita abhaya yabo. Nabo bafuna ukurekhoda and thola ukuthi lesikhathi mina ngi-off ngaso mhlambe-ke kunamanye ama-artist laphayana busy, thola ukuthi manje isikhathi sesisincane yabo, and manje kuyangidileya nami ukuthi ngikwazi ukurekhoda yonke into ngesikhathi and just be on time. That's when ngaqala ukuzifundisa manje ukuthi nami ngizishayele my own production. Actually ngikhulume nayo MT taught me a lot, man. Apart from, because obviously no one will teach you how to write.
Yeah.
But when you listen, you get inspired, and that's
Sure.
where you learn. So, but one thing, I have to thank him. Thank you, bro, Namanji. MT was one of the first guys owangifaka ku-Fruity Loop, angibonisa ama-basics ukuthi what is this? What does this do? Yabo, wangivula amehlo lapho.
Okay.
And then I started to learn, oh shit, production, this is what production is. Ngazifundisa ukwenza ama-beat, ngalearn mfethu. And then I ended up now knowing how to make an instrumental by myself. Nokuzirecord, I went into ezinjalo. And then that's when vele ngabhaya my first mic, late 2012, maybe towards December or something like that. I bought my first microphone, and then I always had a PC nyana. Then I started recording myself. So at this time, me learning recorder, it's into engiyenzayo ngokwami, but I'm still part of his kind.
Okay.
Ngisaya le
But you're building your own studio.
But I'm building my own studio. Yabona? So kanjalo vele kube indaba ukuthi I started working on my tape yami yokuqala, on my own. Ngizishayela ama-beat, ngiyazirecorda la khona engathi mhlambe kunento engathi angibhayizisa, I'll take the project ngiye nayo emajiteni ekuse takes a cheesy Prince, here is a project enginayo la bafethu, man ngiyayizwa man i-color song, can you help me with 1 2 3 yabo, and then they will show me with no la wenza so kanjalo ngilene, and I started vele venturing out, meet abantu abaningi, other producers, learning more skills of how this is done yabona. And then 2013, I guess vele the skill sokuproducer bese si much better.
It's polishing.
Yeah, sipolishekile nyana, and plus vele kungukuthi over the years from 2011 12 besilokhu si keep my track nesikhanda, remember amasingeli, all those projects. So even nabantu nje ekhasi bese bangicava nami nje ukuthi oh le ya rap open EP yabo. And now this was now people knowing me as a rapper. Kungukuthi mina bengingatravele kakhulu mfethu over the years in the past, but it was with different style of music, with choir, with this other, but now this was the first as a rapper now.
Sure.
Yabona? So 2013 there kube project yami sengiqedile, I think that was March. I released my very first single, solo artist project in 2013. Ngashaya mixtape again, ngiproduce myself. No MT helped me, Boja Prince, yabo, Cheesy also. It's kind of fellas, Skanda Nation nje helped me do that project. Yabo. Or I can say 35-40% of the project was, touched by Skanda at that time, right? So yeah, mang zoqeda vele ukwenza lo project leyo ngi-release on March. It became very successful, but I won't lie. My first mixtape was Ghetto. The first mixtape yami leyo. It was very successful, Jam. I hosted it, Lord Kanyile, Ivory Park Youth Center. Yeah, I remember that day was epic, man. It was the very first time in launcher. I printed my CD. I remember my first batch was 50 CDs. Not more than 6 copies. I sold on that day. The show was successful. I invited my kids from Moval, some guys from KZN, Enzo
Some Big
came,
Zulu.
about Big Zulu back in the days.
Yeah.
But yeah, I remember I invited Big Zulu that day, but he didn't show up. But his
Or
team,
Enzo's again.
yeah, Enzo came,
'cause he was
Scar
part of the
came,
team,
yeah, they came, except him by the time. But yeah, it was very dope. Namajita was a 32 RIP Mr. Greaton, by the way, they got corner
Yeah.
nabo Killer Brain.
Yeah.
Amanyora nje, people vele ekungukuthi nami ngizwe ngabo before I even got into the movement. Yabo. And that year, moving from 2013 to this day, mfethu ngasho ukuthi we never stopped doing hip hop, even though along the years sike saskatha around.
Competition I SABC 1.
Oh yeah, that is fast forward.
Yeah.
That's 2017.
Yeah, it's 27.
Yeah, 2017. That's why I won a SAPC One competition. Shout out SAPC One Napo.
What is the name of the competition?
One mic competition.
Sure, I remember it.
Yes, one mic competition. Nakona.
That you we win no attachment I think I win.
Yeah, well, it's season 1 of the. Actually, we were season the first season.
Okay.
Being 8 winners, contenders. People shooting. Gube nama. It shooted 8 times, 8 episodes, and then which means there were 8 people about winning for each episode. Yeah, which I was one of the winners. Touch was one episode. Yeah, and other guys fell from different locations. Yeah. Leon
Then
Tonayo,
abanhlanganisi nonke ngama winners and buried against each other.
that is, I guess, something that was supposed to happen.
Oh.
Kodwa, it wasn't Tina Bomb Rapper, but it was a team very one mic. Yibo, I guess about decide or to move way in a different way, because what happened was Mina personally they announced Duweb was the presenter of the show. She announced it live. Would say, oh, the winner today who won for this competition is going to be given an opportunity to record a song with Tweezy and Slick.
Sure.
And then recording that song, they're going to get airplay and obviously do a music video, which is going to be put in all the SAPC channels, blah, blah, blah. So that was the prize of the winner, actually. And then it did happen. We got to see record a track on a later stage. But here's what happened. Jongoba ngisho, sawina C8. And then, which means each of us had to make a song and a music video with these 2 DJs. Which happened because I remember Savaya, Sony, we recorded the songs. I recorded a song with Slick and Tweezy. And then, but I guess we technical problems because
Is it DJ Slick?
yeah, Slick.
Oh.
Yeah. But I don't know. Okay, fine. About the releases of the songs, I do not have any idea. I was there as an artist. But Ispan said to Sensi because we recorded at Sony, and then we even went on to Tweezy's house and record again because there was technical where projects were not aligned or whatever. I don't know exactly what the
Then
issue
you
was.
re-recorded.
We re-recorded. We had to record this twice. So yeah, since we recorded those songs, Salinda Veluguti
It's a dropper, man.
is a dropper, my dropper, and then the music videos. And then since then,
Namanye Salindi.
but that's the game.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah, that's the game. But kunguthi vele, when that happened, we already see abantu ukuthi push because this happened. The competition one mic I win in 2017, and it was televised next year, in 2018.
2018,
Yeah,
okay.
2018.
Wathi nama sibone TV wena sokhohliwe na.
Yeah, and nami sengikhohliwe ke ngaleso sikhathi because mabayidlala mfethu yo ngizwa nami ngabathi ngiyafonela Benny P sakubona la TV awu TV mina kwenzakalani oh shit kana ngikhumbula oh SABC one mic damn oh yeah and leyo nto leyo nayo kwaba yinye into mfethu yenza ukuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi si rich kumele basifuna imali.
Yeah, ngitsho se TV.
Yeah, so, but yeah, it was a good experience. Ukubona the way abantu abazokushitha ngakhona after bakubone TV than before that. Yeah, It was
Sure.
different. And manje, nama bookings, that it helped a lot when it comes to Ispan, because now,
What
abantu
is doing
abaningi-
about music kahle?
Phethe imali music si ravazile. Si ravazile. Well, akusama meter,
Yeah.
akusima le baya, but we were able.
But if it manages to give you an income,
Yeah.
you can call it a career.
Of course, bro. We managed to survive a bit with that, even though it wasn't enough to provide for kids,
Sure.
you know, and build a house or buy a good whip, yabo. Mara.
At least.
But sikwazi ukuthi in fact on a good show, if you get a good show, uyazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi at least ubuye nesakala empuphunyana, fish oil uzoyibhaya, uzobhaya rice lapho, yabona.
As long as you've got something to show, bro.
Yeah, exactly. So
Abantwana abakhoma abakhulu abathi ayithama beshawa music mara ukhombi next.
Uyayibona le nto leyo.
Hayi lebona nestina lesi ngasibhanga inyuku
Uyangithola mfethu.
Le room leli ngalakha ngenyuku music.
Uyayibona?
Sure.
So yeah, bokuyinto enjalo ukuthi but besiyintwana man. So imali ebesiyithola mfethu ebesiravaza. Bothola ukuthi maybe they invite me to a show. Ngiyalaphaya ngingafokoli vele ngithemba ukuthi vele mangifika la bazongipesha le mali le yiyo ngizobuya ngayo endlini. Ngizogibela ngayo transportation and yiyo mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi kumele ngisothe ama drinks nyana for myself. Namajite engizobe ngize nawo.
Mara kudala banihafa ngama-ride ani.
Yeah, in some shows bazokhafa nge-ride mfethu, it's true. Yeah, in some shows ufike lapha shaya into yakho uyazi vele nalo muntu oku-invite-ile azange ngitshela ukuthi or akubuza ukuthi uhafisa malini uvele wathi can you please come bese nawe wathi okay hayi maybe uyamazi okay sibuda ngizovela and then mawufika lapha uyazi mfethu ride ngimasiphusha from eKasi sike sibe nayo ride ngokuthi mara we are all still grinding.
Sure.
Anginamali mfethu yazi nawo namali mara sifuna riding yenzakale so siyafuna uku-entertain abantu mara angeke ngikwazi ukuhafa ukuthi uzoba yabo part of the show but mawungafika at least ngeke uhlale ulambile uzophuza ikholi yabo. So you're right about the rider thing, man. The way some shows ebesiya out of passion and to support sazi ukuthi you're not gonna be paid anyway, it's just nje yabo ukuthi babone lento engiyenzayo.
When as long as perform you look grand.
Exactly. So enye into futhi yenza ukuthi I guess imali mfethu siravaze kakhulu because sithanda music kakhulu. Yonke into besigijimela, we just wanted people to hear into esiyenzayo. We didn't care ukuthi uzosibhadala about money. We didn't. Yabona mfethu online and this is not just inkinga angazi inkinga or into right here.
But everyone is saying the same thing. Nomiki said the same thing.
Yeah, as we grow up, I feel like that's where we started to see, this is a problem. We have to make money out of this. But when we were young, we didn't care about the money. We just wanted people to hear us. Besifuna usplak. Yabona Moses fikisa la sizokwazi ukushaya lento esithanda khona abantu bayibone. We were happy. And then from there mfethu kwezinye indawo besihamba singazi nokuthi ukuyela ngane endlini. Sifike eshowini, siperform mfethu sikhile ishow kube mnandi. And then only to find, oh damn, we don't have transport to go home. And guess what? There will always be someone othanda lento esithunayo ozosofaring down. Just like that. Be like, yo, machitani ngawari. Nali idlala mfethu izoba yi, yabona. And then sagcina serious kakhulu mfethu impilo zethu. I remember saya eMpumalanga. We went there for an event. When we got there, Joe, like our plan was to perform bese siyabuya. But masifika le bese ku late and then ku fair la kumele sibamba ama cab khona indaba lezi zama Uber lezi zamanje mfethu. Sagcina manje sekumele siringe and mathapha umuntu hosta ishow umuntu ogcina ukuhamba ishow. And in most cases they don't sleep those people because you have to make sure umuntu right. And then we had to go to that guy mfethu. Phela sesilada. Bekumele sibuyele emuva akusayenzakali kube mnandi kakhulu seku late. What happens? But the guy had to offer us the gidla even though it wasn't the plan. But all I'm trying to say is we did not have to worry about anything except
Amara ngcono nje
Siyenza
abaningi
like
balale station se train.
yeah.
Yeah, sibone kuseni abanye balale garage.
Yeah, but so yeah, I can probably say we also been past there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did a lot. Ngakubalela indawo ezibhala siyokhona singazi nje nokuthi sukuya kanjani.
Asingene
Sifuna ukuba la.
ku-2026 awuthiyanga.
2026.
Currently uthunani awuthiyanga.
Oh,
Dala
currently.
siringa. Angeke sikhave yonke into because of profile yakhe ikhona too much yabo.
True,
Wonke umuntu
true,
uveza
yeah.
ukuthi angeke sikhave yonke into. We cover only the important things.
Sure, yeah.
Sure.
Currently, I'm working on my tape. I'm gonna release a tape this year. There's a movement esipushayo. It's called Something Different.
Sure.
Something different. Lapho ke ngisipana. I still have. Anyways, I am still one with my brothers from Iskandar mfethu. Like I said, we grow apart, but we're still a family. As much as abanye abasahlali la,
Yeah.
abanye they have different careers, but yeah, we're still pushing.
There's about
these
him to
things
say
together.
KZN.
Yeah, KZN. He was in KZN. Yes, UMT.
Is he back?
He is back.
Okay.
He just got back.
Let's take it.
Yeah, man, definitely.
akagibele.
Uzofika, kuzomela afike. Yeah, hey,
Umtekza.
so yeah, this year mfethu usipusha actually since last year we've been pushing itape ka Reptile, Stop Fair. That is a solo album yaga Reptile.
Sure.
But apart from that, we are also working on an album. The album we've been working on it since last year November. With Namanje speaking.
Okay.
So we have the album Iskandar ezwakalayo. We also have a tape from me
Yeah.
ezwakalayo. And then currently we have a online manje yaga Reptile. So whenever you mention Reptile, you must just know ukuthi we are talking about Iskandar Nation.
Most have.
Yeah, because
Ngiyambona
wherever Reptile is, I'm
utshwayeza la.
there. Yeah.
Ngiyambona uyapusha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uyapusha kakhulu
Sure.
bafo.
Manje yini iBhomzolo awuthiyanga?
Ibhomzolo mfethu, it's a natural tree, a herb.
Inesihlahla lesi?
Ngabona riding iyo. Well, ibhomzolo mfethu, it's a single as in mfethu. I love the fact ukuthi ukhuluma ngale track, and if I tell you the track ayikaphumi.
Yeah, mana hlani ipromote phela ngeke.
Yeah, we're promoting this song.
Sure.
And we just recorded it last week, by the way. The track lena, we had the
Mana ni
concept.
performile nasile.
Yeah, we had a
Sele
concept.
KZN.
We had a concept since
Ngitiri
last year. Azange siyirekhode kodwa besithi masingena emashowini
Sure.
siyashaya because we are now
But
in the
ibhizi
stage.
belinayo organisebenzisa
Yeah,
amabeat
beat,
ahlukile.
no, beats in con. We're using the same beats.
Oh.
Yeah, Shuti Reptile actually came with this concept. Was Shirley beats. We all wrote. Everything is ready, but CP is in faith.
Sure.
Your CP is kakhulu.
Ungitshelile because bemele ngizwakale ngayi athanja yami ngathi
Yeah.
kunzima ukuthi sihlangane e-studio.
Yeah, hey,
Kunzima ukuthi sirekhode ingoma siqede.
kunzima kakhulu.
Manje ukuthi size ku-quantum kuzoba worse.
Yeah.
Uye be-organize ukuthi ngizozwakala yini.
Yeah,
But
sisi.
mfana take your time. Nani grand
Eventually, I believe sizofika like
Sure.
eventually as a group.
Sure.
Yeah, sizofika. So, yeah, kumanje mfethu, you can expect a lot from team. Expect a lot. Kumanje nje ngizokhipha a solo track soon enough.
Sure.
Probably before the end of February, you're gonna be having the tape. I'll confirm with social media.
Okay.
Yeah, ukuthi when exactly. But yeah, it's gonna be a single track keeper, and it's gonna be accompanied by a tape. Njengoba ngisho ngithi I'm working on a tape.
Sure.
Yeah, and also you should expect also a tape Iskandar.
Must
Now Iskandar is amachita sesiphelele sisonke.
So how do we get hold of you?
You get a hold of me. It's on social media. It's Benny P RSA. That's your Facebook, Twitter, Gonke, same name, Benny P RSA. Music wami, Gomanje, you can just go online, go on YouTube, Gomanje. But like I said, I'm gonna put out a tape and a single. I'm gonna keep you singing. You're gonna be able to get it in all platforms.
Sure.
And then the tape kuzoba njalo ke. But Gumanje, there is some of my music on SoundCloud. You can just check Benny P, you'll find it there. And then on YouTube, there's a lot of music from Dala Vele. And then more is still coming.
Okay, this cam
Yeah, bro.
and any message to your fans?
To my fans,
Yeah.
yo, well, first of all, guys, I'm gonna thank each and every one osapotayo what I do, because for one, I know that you guys have been very patient. We have been doing ups and downs, sihlanganisa i-art le nale, so that we can bring it to you as a package, into unique, also itanda. But I thank you very much for your patience. That's number one. The support yakho means a lot to me. Without your support, guys, like honestly, ngaphandle kwe-support yenu, we are nothing. And we won't even start to do what we are doing if it wasn't of you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu, and then continue to give us support. Mina nguPenny P, Kwala Madala. I'm gonna give you a lot of music. I'm gonna give you a lot of art. And there is a promise I'm giving you. My team will do the same, and we appreciate you a lot. Keep on giving us the support, and we will keep on doing the great art for you guys. One love.